What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over what I think is the most important tip to help someone progress in skateboarding. So the other day I was at the skate park and someone was trying to learn how to rock fakie on the 4-foot mini ramp, right? They were able to do it on the small 2-foot quarter pipe, and I saw him like wanting to do it but not trying it. Like it's, it was in his head but just really wasn't, didn't feel like he could do it. And to me, this is like the #1 thing that hinders progression, and when you unlock it can just really just change the way you look at skateboarding and even life. And that's trying things that you think you might not be able to do. So when you're first starting out, it can be pretty difficult to know like your range of ability, right? Because you don't have much to gauge from. You just started, you're kind of figuring out where you're at, and but I've seen from teaching people over the years that whenever I see the idea like someone has to do a trick, and I kind of give them a little push and tell them they can do it and kind of just like hype them up a little bit, 9 times out of 10 they learn the trick.
Oh! Yeah, dude!
Yes. Yes. That was awesome. To me, it's more of, just a mental barrier, not maybe believing in yourself or thinking you could do it, or, and this runs true with me now. I'm still trying tricks that I don't think are possible or that have never even been done in skateboarding yet. And it's that same idea. It's just trying things just to try them, and kind of having that belief like always, and knowing that anything is possible. And really the only thing that separates you from learning a trick is your will and desire to just focus straight at something, right? Because really it just takes time, energy, practice. Like you work your way up certain level, just keep getting up and up and up, but if you don't stick with it, it's just not going to happen. So that's on the macro scale of like all the tricks, and also the micro scale of like a specific trick. So just make sure if you want to learn something, just set your mind to it and just continue working at it and know that you're going to get it. All right, and speaking of pushing your limits, if you guys are new here, this is day 2 of trying to learn 50 tricks in a month. Right now, I'm going to be trying trick number 7, which is a nollie big spin heel flip to disaster. Yeah, I'm terrible at nollie big spin heels. I've only done like 2 of them in my life, so I'm just gonna set my mind to it, try to figure it out today. And if you want to keep up with all the tricks I'm doing, I'm posting some of them over on Instagram, so just follow me there at Caruso. And let's get into trying this trick. Alright, first 2 things I'm noticing is that I'm popping the board way too high and I'm having trouble flicking, which has really always been my problem with the nollie big heel. So I'm going to try to adjust my foot into different spots, see if I can get a better flick. Alright guys, I think I just unlocked it. Those 2 tips I said before, 100% what was happening. I started putting my foot in this corner pocket right here and like not popping the nose, but more like a pressure. And then I moved my back foot, the flicking foot, to more of like with my foot more on the board. It's like I'm flicking with my toe like a kick flip, but off the heel flip side. Really weird, but it's making it flick, so. Okay, so something that I see happening is I'm jumping to the side of the board every time. And like, I know it's happening. I'm trying to not do it, but I just keep jumping away from it. One more. No.
No!
That's hysterical.
What did you just do? I gotta see that film. Are you gonna put it up?
Alright, well, that's hysterical. Was gonna redo that, but yeah, got no board now. Might have even landed that 5-0 if board didn't break, but alright, it's gonna be it for this session. Definitely gonna clean that up. And I'm probably gonna learn some variations of this now that I feel a little more comfortable with it. So something that helped open this trick up for me was swinging my shoulders. Like, I wasn't fully rotating when I was trying it. And once I started like swinging my shoulders around, started opening up a little bit. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.